Here at the School of Government and International Affairs, we want to empower the next generation of global leaders. Those that want to affect policy, that want to move on the international stage, who want to work in diplomacy, non-governmental organizations. And if that is you, we have a master's program here for you.
I wanted something that would offer more than what a general international relations degree would offer. Hopefully get me a foot in the door. Durham definitely has done just that.
We want to inspire students' creativity, we want to ignite their curiosity, we want to give them the skills that they need to go forward and have a terrific career.
I studied politics and political theory here at Durham on the master's course. I'm now a communication consultant working for a company called Mercer in London. My experiences at Durham have allowed me to really view the world differently. It's expanded that worldview and really think deeply on topics and take other people's views and opinions in before we're making decisions.
The School of Government and International Affairs is among the top 100 in the world, we're top 10 in the UK, and that matters. That matters to potential employers, that matters if you want to go onward into academia.
Being able to have access to world-class lecturers, real experts in all of their subjects, was a real draw for me.
They're so approachable, so friendly.
I've had so many different conversations with faculty members, and it's just amazing to sort of pick their brains.
We have a really diverse student population, students from all over the world, so students can learn about what politics is like elsewhere. And that makes for a really rich experience.
Moving from India to Durham has been very lovely. It's beautiful. It's small enough that you run into your professors and classmates in coffee shops, but big enough that you find events every other week.
We are really keen to make international students feel as welcome as possible. So we have international students groups, we have an English language course, a student support officer. The colleges really help.
The best thing about studying in Durham has been being part of a college.
You make connections with people that you wouldn't be able to make elsewhere.
We have great facilities available here at the School of Government and International Affairs. We have a gorgeous campus.
There's also the Bill Bryson Library. I've never had an experience where I've needed a resource and not been able to get it.
Durham have given me access to a different range of thinkers and people that enable me to then approach problems slightly differently.
I've learned so many things that I know I'm going to use in my career.
So if you're considering to do a master's in politics, international relations or public policy, I would say come to Durham. Experience this wonderful city, come meet students from all over the world, and come gain employable skills that may make you a leader of the future.